What's going on, good people? I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy, and welcome to Evergreen Hideout. So in today's video, we're going to tilt and turn our soil so that when we plant our seedlings on day 2, it can be ready. So guys, to start a garden from scratch, you need to first choose the right location with enough sunlight. Then prepare the soil by loosening it and adding amendments if necessary. Plan your garden layout. Select the suitable plants based on your climate. Plant your seed or seedlings, water regularly, weed as needed, and mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Essentially focusing on site selection, soil preparation, plant choice, planting, and ongoing maintenance. In terms of location, pick a spot with enough sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Consider the amount of space you have for your garden. In terms of soil, improve the soil with compost, organic fertilizer, and manure. Enriching the soil before planting helps your plants to grow better. Therefore, choose plants based on the growing season and how much sunlight your garden gets. You can buy seeds or starts, which are small plants that have already germinated. Turning or tilling soil, also known as primary tillage, is important for breaking uncompacted soil, improving aeration, and facilitating water and nutrient absorption, ultimately promoting healthy plant growth and weed control. Now that you've watched the video till this far, please like and subscribe on the Voice YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated, and we've come to the end of day 1. Now that you're watching part 2 of our video, this is day 2. What we're going to do today is to plant and irrigate on our seedlings. This right here are Swiss chard seedlings that I've been preparing for about 3 weeks now. Preparing these Swiss chard seedlings required no effort because my soil is already fertile. All I had to do was to add water time in and time out, at least 2 times a day. Now that they are ready to be planted in my garden, what I have to do is to make sure that I tilt my soil and make sure that I plant them and then water them frequently on a daily basis. Now, this is how I make sure that my soil is ready to plant. I use my 2 fingers to measure the distance between the soil and the surface, and then I start planting my seedling. Now, right after planting your seedling, make sure that you water it because we do not want it to lose its momentum of growth and to make sure that it survives because of transplant shock. So right now I'm going to continue planting my seedlings and watch out for the results when I'm done. Now that you've watched this far again, please like and subscribe on the base YouTube channel. See you on a new video.